Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up KineMaster for the very first time on your iPhone. Don't worry, this is very easy and I will explain everything step by step. First, make sure KineMaster is already installed on your iPhone. Once installed, tap the KineMaster app icon to open it. When the app opens for the first time, it may ask for permissions. Tap Allow so KineMaster can access your photo, video and microphone. These permissions are needed to edit video properly. Next, you will see a home screen. Here, tap the plus button, which means create a new project. Now you can choose the video size. If you are making video for YouTube, choose 16:9. For TikTok Shorts, choose 9:16. After choosing, tap Next. Tap Media to add photo or video from your phone. Select a video and it will appear on the timeline at the bottom. Before editing, let's adjust basic settings. Tap to gear icon and make sure the video quality is set to higher and frame rate is set to 30 fps for smooth video. Now your KineMaster setup is completed. You can start editing by trimming clips, adding music, text or effects. When you are done editing, tap the export button at the top, choose your video quality and tap export again. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.